हेलो एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। मैं हूं आपका शमीम सर और आज हम करने वाले हैं लेसन नंबर 5 क्लास 6 हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, किंगडम्स, किंग्स एंड अर्ली रिपब्लिक। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु वर द ग्रुप्स हु कुड नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन द assemblies of the janas? Answer is, the following groups could not participate in the assemblies of the janas. Number first, women. Number second, dasas, the slaves. And number third, kamakaras, the landless laborers. Let us discuss the second question. Why did the rajas of mahajanapadas build forts? The rajas of mahajanapadas built forts in order to defend their capital city from attacks by other rajas. It is also probable that they wanted to show how rich and powerful they were by building large and powerful walls. The more particular reason could be that it was more easy to govern fortified cities. The next question is, in what ways are present days elections different from the ways in which rulers were chosen in janapadas? Answer, in janapadas, men became rajas by performing the Ashwamedha horse pass through their lands meant that they accepted that the supremacy of the Raja who wanted to perform the sacrifice. Let us do. Were there any Janapadas in your state? If yes, name them. If not, name the Janapada that would have been closest to your state and mention whether they were to the east, west, north, or south. The answer is subjective to the region and area you live in. Take the assistance of your subject teacher and also the help of the map.